Hello viewers, many greetings. This is Tejas Takulkar and you are watching Logic Panacea. So now in these three parts, that is part number 3, 4 and 5, we will be covering the modeling of this gearbox and also its assembly. So if you haven't watched the part first and second, you may watch it. So you will know how we designed it. So let's start with our modeling. Okay, now let's create our first part, that is worm. So select part in new, create. Okay. Now I will select the front plane, go into the sketch, select sketch. So now I will draw a circle. The diameter of the circle will be the random diameter of the worm, that is 32.8 mm. Okay, now let's extrude this. Select mid plane. Now the length of our worm is 125.66 mm. Okay. Actually, I will increase the length. I will add 30 mm to this. So we'll get some extra space except from the tips. So now we need to build tips over here. So okay, now let's select the front plane. Now I will just create a circle of the same diameter. Go to the features, curves. Now I will make a helix. So here our pitch, we need to put our pitch, that is 25.13 as we calculated earlier. So if you are designing, then just keep your book with you so you can know all the values. So you will find them at the page, that is a dimension of worm and wormwheel. We have calculated all of them. So the number of revolutions, the total number of teeth is 5, so I will just put the number of revolutions as 2.5. Okay. So now to create another helix, that's another half, we actually need to sketch again. So again sketch here and draw another circle of the same diameter. Okay. Go to the features, select helix. Now reverse the direction and also make it counterclockwise. So now we have our helix here. Okay, so I will sketch on top plane now. So just select sketch. Okay, now we need to form our teeth here. So I will just make a circle and give it diameter as 8 mm. Okay. So its distance from the bottom will be its addendum plus the dedendum, that is 9.6, minus the radius of the circle, that is 4 mm. So this is extra portion. So this will be the height of our teeth. So I will give this dimension as 15.2. Select line 1 and press Ctrl and select both of the line, make them equal. Again selecting one line, press Ctrl, select the circle, make them tangent. I will just make this horizontal. Okay. Now just select trim entity and we will trim this portion. Okay, now our teeth is ready. Just exit the sketch. Okay, now here I have taken these dimensions and only this is the reference, that is our addendum plus dedendum. So that is the total height of the teeth. But you can take all other dimensions in proportions if you have different addendum plus dedendum length. That is, if your design is different, you can just take ratio of this value with this value and put your own value. Like if you have a bigger length here for the teeth, you will have a bigger circle and also bigger width. So just take your proportion and make your own diagram. So now I will use swept here for the teeth. So let's select the sketch and let's select the contour, that is the spiral. Okay, select OK. Now again select the sketch and I will select here swept. Now select this contour. Okay. Now as you can see, we have got our worm over here. You can edit its appearance and change its color. Actually we want to change color for whole worm, so select part 8 and go to this appearance and I will give it color gray. Okay, now let's save this. Okay, now let's create a worm gear. Go to file, new, part, select front view, front plane and select sketch. So draw two concentric circles here. Okay, now the diameter for outside circle is the addendum diameter of the gear, that is 216 mm. And the diameter of the shaft is 55 mm. So I will give it in the diameter as 55 mm. Okay. Now we need to give a keyhole. So we just draw a rectangle. Press Ctrl, select both the lines, make them equal. Now here the width is 16 mm for our key and the height will be 6 mm. So select trim entities and trim this portion. Okay, now just extrude this part. Select mid plane and give it 44 mm. So 44 mm as its width. So this is our width which we have calculated earlier. Okay. Now I will just make visible the center line here. So I will sketch on right plane. Select normal to. Sketch a circle. Give its diameter as Actually, I have 52 mm as our pitch circle diameter for worm, but I will be taking a smaller value, that is 48. So this value I am taking approximately, but it should be somewhat smaller than the pitch circle diameter of the worm. So if you have a different pitch circle diameter, you can just take the proportion. Okay. Now the distance the center from the center of the gear, it is 125 mm as we have calculated earlier. Okay, just exit the sketch. So actually I need to revolve this around the center line, so I will just draw a center line over here. Okay, so go to features and without exiting the sketch, select revolve cut, so it will cut this portion automatically. Okay, so now we need to build our teeth. Let's select the front plane, select sketch, normal to. So again I will be drawing a 8 mm diameter circle over here. So I will specify the distance of the circle from the center. Okay, so the addendum diameter is 180.8 mm minus, sorry, this time we will add the radii of the circle, that is 4 mm. Okay, now here 180.8 is the diameter. So first I will divide it by 2. And add here 4 mm for the circle radius. Okay. Now I will create a horizontal line over here. I will make it center vertical. Let's give it a dimension of 20 mm. Extend 2 lines. Okay, let's keep them 8 mm. Let's bring this till here. Okay. Now select the arc, that is 3-point arc. Select this point, select anywhere on the circle. I will give a small angle to this. Okay. So I will repeat this on another side. Let's make both this arc equal. Select both of them by pressing Ctrl. Make them equal and make the curve length equal. Okay. Now let's make this curve tangent to the circle. Okay, this isn't working. So actually I will delete them. Let's join them from here to here. Okay, Now let's make them equal. And now make them tangent to the circle. Yeah. I will lift it. As a specified length. Let's make it 19. Okay. Now select trim entities. Trim this circle. We will exit the sketch. Okay, now keep this sketch like that. First we will need to create a helix here to cut this portion. So to create the helix, select right hand plane, make sketch. So I will make a circle concentric to this circle, that's this circle, and I'll give it diameter as 52. That is our pitch circle diameter for the worm. Okay. Now go to the features, select curves, select helix. So our pitch will be 25.13 and select revolution as 0.25. And start the helix at 270 degree. Okay. So make sure that the helix is going to the left, as our worm is the bottom part of our worm is the teeth are going towards left, so the teeth should match each other. Now I will just click OK. Now to create another helix, actually I need to sketch again. So let's sketch on right hand plane. Again draw a circle, concentric to this, so here somewhere. Okay. mm will be its diameter. Exit the sketch and select the helix. This time just click on this, that is reverse direction, and make it clockwise. Okay. So now we have our helix here. Now select the sketch, that is sketch 3. Then select extrude grade cut. Select the sketch and select swept cut. And we will cut it up around both of these profiles. Okay. First we will cut along this profile. Now again select the sketch, swept cut, and select this profile here. Okay. Now we need to repeat this 25 times for whole circle. So instead of repeating it again and again, I will just use the command that is pattern. Okay. So we will use circular pattern. So there are 25 instances here, and we are going to revolve around this portion. Actually, I don't know if there are actually 25 instances over here. Okay, but I have selected only half of the portion, so I will just select both the portions, that cut sweep 1 and cut sweep 2, going to circular pattern, 25 instances. So if I select equal spacing, so it will give me 25 instances at equal spacings. But I will just do like this. I don't have trust on this, so I will just go here and put 360 divided by 25. So we will get 40.4 degree angle for each. We get 25 instances here. Now click OK. Okay, so now this is our worm gear. Actually, the width of teeth is more than expected. So I will just increase the width of the hole. That is the sketch. Actually, sketch over here. Edit this sketch. So let's make it 22 and increase this height to like 21. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, now this looks better. Now let's edit its appearance. So I'll make it like orange. Okay. So this is our gear. So now this is the end of the part 3. Thank you for watching this video.